Hey Mike, pull that door open. What's this, Wayne's 406? That's our just a little street heat motor we're doing for Wayne. I'm told it's Wayne's 406 going into 80 Monte Carlo. This was a motor that we basically got traded in on a new 427. It's really a stock block 511 400, nothing real trick. It's got a cast crank, 5.7 GMX rods. We balanced it. It's got Ross flat tops in it. Set of World product heads, the old Sportsman 2s, Performer RPM, hydraulic roller, 505 foot-pounds, 505 horsepower at 5,600 and 521 foot-pounds of torque at, it's around 3,000 or 3,500, I forget. But anyway, the little oil smoke you saw was just we got a small valve cover leak on there. It's not our dyno valve covers, but we'll fix that. But the motor is basically, it's all GM stuff with a set of World product heads making over 500 horsepower. Also, this is going in a street car. A little bit of nitrous, he'll tear some 10s up. They'll probably be looking for old Jake in the red Flyer. Hope he's got something. See ya.